I'm going to do a really quick video here to demonstrate functionality of my DVD player here, or surround sound system I should say. Model DAV HDX 589W. I don't know if you can... Well, that's kind of pointless. So maybe be able to see it, but whatever. There's the main system there. iPod dock, iPod not included. Left channel, right channel, center channel, AM antenna. I did lose the FM antenna that comes with this, but you can probably pick one up really extremely cheap, 50 cents, 75 cents, somewhere. I have it hooked up via HDMI to my monitor as I do not have a TV. Sony home theater system hooked up. So you see it here. HDMI. Back there. HDMI. As you can see, all the proprietary plugs are here, including the digital media port plug there. There is the wireless card that I was speaking about. It goes on the back of this, makes the rear speakers wireless, and also the extra speaker system wireless, which is this right here. The extra speaker system, completely wireless other than obviously the power cord. Has access to everything that the main system has access to. There's the wireless rear system. This little system right here actually makes it wireless. The rear speaker is wireless, and the rear right tower and the rear left tower hooked up. These towers here are actually they're actually meant for the front. I happen to like them being in the back, so they're ear level with the couch. And the front speakers were nice to keep them on the entertainment center, nice and small. Same 3 ohm impedance, so the same power. So that's that. As you can hear right now, actually I don't know if you can hear it, but that's actually a CD playing. Sorry for the lights. CD playing. 5-disc player, DVD player as well. Full control on here, volume, and remote. So that's that. That's demoing a CD there. I'm not sure how the different channels are going to work, but here's the sound channel if you can hear it. Right channel. Left channel and so. That's not going to give you a good demo of the different channels functioning, but what we will do to give you a good demo is go into the setup here. It's always going to be custom. Any audio file, that's the best way to do it. Customize your stuff, and what I have it set to, you're not necessarily going to want, but see, we actually have the test tone here. And we're going to turn it on so you can hear it. It's going to go really fast, so I might try and catch up with the speakers. But here you go, left channel. Sorry, I had to turn it up. I'll wait till it comes back around. Left channel. Center. Right. Subwoofer. So, zoom out a little bit. Not sure how this is going to sound in the camera, but do my best. So that's the test tone. I'll go ahead and turn that off. And sure. The monitor, even though it's HDMI, isn't going to look good as good as whatever TV you hook it up to. But we're going to go to disc 3 here. Have a movie in there. So that's going to load up. And that way you can see it does in fact play movies and whatnot. Give it a second to load up. In a second I will also display the, or show you how the extra wireless system works. quite nifty. We don't want to watch this. Just find a scene, I guess, we can go to. It's not gonna let us go up until it goes through all its credits and crap. But even on the monitor, it looks pretty excellent. Other than losing the FM cable and one of the, let me turn this off. The wireless systems have these cartridges right here. Doesn't help if you drop it. The wireless SR cartridges right here. Kind of primitive, but it works for Sony. They go into the back of the systems like that, and also like there. So if I want to play this system, because I lost the extra one during a move, all you're going to do is slap it in there, and boom, you're done. The bad boy comes on. Clock isn't set, obviously. So I'm going to turn down the main system here. And as long as this doesn't have to pair up, it should play right off the bat. Actually, looks like it might have to be paired. Yeah, it's got to be paired. If you really want to, because the pairing is actually, each one has a wireless ID, A through C, and then the main system has a wireless ID, A through C. The little switch right here. And then there's a little button right here that you'll have to press to pair it up. See how this is blinking? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. That's to pair it up. We're going to turn that bad boy off. Off. Pop that out. Put that in there. I'm gonna get this movie playing, hopefully. Okay, it's starting. Let me go to a different scene, hopefully. I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Probably should have been a little more prepared for this video here. And again, I apologize. Had a bad experience with individuals coming to my home, my residence, for see things that I'm selling. So some people just don't take no for an answer. So let's pick a scene here. Somebody with a little bit of action to it. Bat pod face off. How about that? Let's watch that one. If you haven't seen The Dark Knight, you must see it. It's excellent. Turn it up for you. And on the wireless rear speakers.
Oh, excuse me. I want to drive.
Scanning all systems. Scanning all systems.
We gotta get topside. We need air support now.
Sure could be able to hear the wireless rear. But as you heard in the tone, they do work. This thing does have a lot of power. You know, I will this off.
Goodbye.
Last thing we'll turn on here is the visual media port. Let's switch over to the. I'm a big rock fan, so unfortunately, you're gonna have to listen to rock. that's that. It's 10-minute mark, which YouTube is only allows 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens. If you want it, email me back. Thanks for your time.